label cutter. Ready to see what is different. 3 different printed patterns. Adjust the feeding tray to put the material. U-disc offline working. Choose new function, barcode scanning. Material feed automatically. Scan the barcode first to define the cutting work, then scan the 4 registration marks. Label cutting started. Second material feed when first cutting finished. Sensor scan the barcode first to confirm the cutting work. Cut different labels file. Let the machine work by itself. Recognize the cutting file and cut precisely. Servo motor machine has super silent sound. Tester cutting speed. Auto withdraw the second material after cutting finished. Barcode scan. During the cutting process, we can press pause button to check the cutting precision. Press pause button again, material feedback and cut in stopped place. The feeding roll will stop rolling if there is no material in the feeding tray.